Hello, everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in the safari we are exploring the deer for our amazing animals. Did you know? Deer are a group of herbivorous mammals belonging to the family Cervidae. They are widely distributed across various regions of the world, inhabiting diverse ecosystems ranging from forests and grasslands to mountains and tundra. With their graceful appearance and iconic antlers, deer have captivated the human imagination for centuries. Here is a summary about deer. Deer are known for their distinctive antlers, which are exclusive to males and are shed and regrown annually. Antlers serve various purposes, including attracting mates and establishing dominance during the breeding season. Different species of deer exhibit variations in antler size, shape, and complexity. For instance, the majestic elk possesses large, elaborately branched antlers, while the white-tailed deer boasts simpler antlers. There are around 60 species of deer, including well-known examples such as the white-tailed deer, red deer, elk, reindeer, caribou, and moose. These species display a range of sizes, from the diminutive poodoo, standing at around 12 to 17 inches tall, to the towering moose, which can reach heights of up to 6.9 feet at the shoulder. Deer are primarily herbivorous, feeding on a variety of vegetation, including leaves, grasses, shoots, and bark. They have specialized digestive systems that allow them to extract maximum nutrition from plant material. In addition to their feeding habits, deer have adapted remarkable physiological features to enhance their survival. They possess keen senses, particularly hearing and smell, which help them detect potential predators. Breeding patterns among deer vary, but most species engage in seasonal mating rituals. The males, known as bucks, compete for the attention of females, or does, through displays of dominance and vocalizations. Once mating occurs, the gestation period ranges from around 6 to 9 months, depending on the species. Fawns are typically born in spring or early summer, and they rapidly gain strength and coordination to keep up with their mothers. Deer have a complex relationship with humans. They are revered in many cultures for their beauty and grace, and they hold symbolic value in various religious and mythological traditions. However, they can also cause conflicts when their populations grow too large, leading to crop damage, vehicular accidents, and the spread of tick-borne diseases. Consequently, deer management strategies, such as regulated hunting and habitat conservation, are implemented in many regions to maintain balanced ecosystems. In conclusion, deer are captivating creatures that inhabit diverse environments worldwide. Their antlers, feeding habits, mating rituals, and ecological significance make them a subject of fascination for both scientists and nature enthusiasts. As we continue to appreciate their beauty and study their behavior, it is crucial to strike a balance between human interactions and the preservation of these magnificent animals in their natural habitats. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and leave a comment down below on next amazing animal you want to see.
Tree roots secure the top